Good morning, class 7th. This is chapter 2nd of English, Gulli Danda. Students, we were talking about Gulli Danda when they were quarreling, both Gaya and the writer himself. He says, "You have taken my guava and give it to back me." And then Gaya told him, "It has gone into my stomach. Take it out then. Why did you eat my guava?" Then here the writer told, "Give it to back, give it to me, and take it out." Then he told, "Why did you eat my guava?" Gaya told, "You gave it to me." Then again he replied, I took your guava because you gave it to me, so I ate it and I didn't ask you for it. And you can't have your turn till you return my guava." Then the author says here, "I will not, your turn will not come until you return my guava." And I tried to free myself from Gaya's grasp, but he held on to me. I cursed him. He cursed me in return and slapped me. And he also told that I tried to free myself from Gaya's grasp. Gaya was clutching author, and author says here that I tried to free myself from Gaya's clutch, but he held on to me, and then I cursed him, means I abused him. He cursed me in return, and then Gaya also abused him in return and slapped him also. I hit him. And then here the author says, instead of that, I hit him. He hit me on my back with his danda. I started howling, and when Gaya hit me with his danda, I started howling. I started crying. Gaya couldn't match this weapon of mine. He took to his heels. I promptly wiped my eyes, forgot the blow I had received, and ran home laughing. Here the author says, Gaya could not match this weapon of mine because I had another weapon. He took to his heels. I promptly wiped, and after that, when I started crying or howling on Gaya, after that I promptly wiped my eyes because I was weeping and forgot all the things, all the blow I had received, and ran home laughing. Soon after his incident, my father was transferred to another town. In the excitement of going to a new place, I quite forgot my old playmates. Here the author says, and after that incident, my father was transferred to another town. That means when my father was transferred to another town, I went to another town in the excitement of going to a new place. And at that time I was going to a new place, I quite forgot my old playmates. And because of that, because of my excitement, I forgot all my old playmates. And 20 years went by, and I qualified as an engineer. And after 20 years passed away. And after that I qualified, and means I became an engineer. While touring the district, I arrived by chance in the same small town that I had lived in as a child. And after 20 years, while I was touring the district, I arrived by chance here. That was the small town where I was living, and I had lived in that town as a child. I stayed in the Dak Bangla. And when I arrived here, I stayed in that Dak Bangla And and when I came here, I was very eager to refresh old memories. I was very enthusiastic to refresh my old memories because in this town I lived, and I went out for a walk but was sorely disappointed. How the beautiful world of my childhood had changed. And he was here, the author became disappointed, sorely disappointed he became. And because his old memories came in his mind and his childhood had been changed. Suddenly, I saw two or three boys playing gulli danda in an open space nearby. Here, the author says that when I arrived in my old town, suddenly I saw two or three boys playing gulli danda in an open space nearby. For a second, I completely forgot myself when I looked them playing gulli danda. For some time, for a second, I completely forgot myself, and I went up to one of the boys and said, and I went one of the boys and said, tell me, does a man named Gaya live here somewhere? And he asked, when he went, one of the boys, he asked about Gaya. Does a man named Gaya live here somewhere? When he asked about Gaya, then the reply came, you mean Gaya the groom? Asked boy timidly. Because here the author asked one of the boys replied that groom, here the meaning of groom is caretaker of horses. Because Gaya became a caretaker of horses, and that child asked about Gaya very timidly. Yes, I think so, I replied. Can you call him for a minute? Then the author thinks so and replied, can you call him for a minute? The boy ran off and reappeared in a few minutes with a short, dark mane. And when that author told to inform Gaya about me, then that boy came back after a few minutes with a dark and short mane. And I recognized my old playmate straight away and wanted to fling my arms around him. When I identified my old playmate straight away and wanted to fling my arms around him. When I saw him, I wanted to fling my arms around my old playmate Gaya. But I stopped myself. But I stopped myself. Well, Gaya. I stopped myself. And then, well, Gaya, I said coolly. I stopped myself and then I told Gaya, well, very calmly I said, do you recognize me? I asked him. I recognized you, but do you recognize me? Gaya bowed his head. How could I not recognize you, Malik? Then Gaya He bowed his head before me and asked and told, how could I not recognize you, Malik? He said very humbly. And I hope you are well. And in replyment, I told him, I hope you are well, Gaya. I am fine, I said. Tell me about yourself. And I told, I am fine. Tell me about yourself, Gaya. I am Deputy Sahib's groom, Sarkar, he replied. And Gaya replied, I am Deputy Sahib's groom. I became a groom of Deputy Sahib, Sarkar, he replied, Gaya replied. And Matai, Mohan, Durga, where are they? And again, the author asked about his old playmates, Matai, Mohan, and Durga. Where are they? And do you have any news of them? I asked. Means here the author asked about old playmates to Gaya. Then Gaya replied, Matai died, Mohan, Matai died. And Matai died, Mohan and Durga are both postmen. And you, Sarkar? Then the author replied, I am the engineer of this district. Do you still play Gulli Danda? I asked. He told about himself, means the author told about himself that I became an engineer of this district. Do you still play Gulli Danda? And again he asked to Gaya that, do you play Gulli Danda? Gaya looked astonished. Gaya looked astonished. He became surprised. He got surprised. Where is the time, Malik? He said, I have to earn my living. Gaya he became astonished. He became surprised. And he got surprised. Where is time, Malik? Gaya told. And he also said, I have to earn my living. I have no time because I am engaged to earn for my living. Come, I said, today you and I will play Gulli Danda. You wait, I will field. I haven't forgotten that I owe you a turn at batting. And the author told, I said, come, today we will play Gulli Danda. You will bat and I will field. And I haven't forgotten that I owe you a turn at batting. I will be the thankful of your batting. Gaya agreed to play very reluctantly, very unwillingly. He became agree to play Gulli Danda with the author. He was a laborer on daily wages. I was a senior officer. What did the two of us have in common? And after that, Gaya was thinking that he was a laborer, means about Gaya, he is thinking Gaya was a laborer on a daily wages and I was a senior officer, engineer. What did the two of us have in common?